Hello everyone, the tech teacher here. Today we are going to go through a new LeetCode problem. It's called removing stars from a string. It's a medium problem, so let's jump right in. Let's start by reading the problem statement. So it's saying you are given a string S which contains stars, which is this symbol. In one operation you can choose a star in S and then remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself, and then return the string after all stars have been removed. Notes: the input will be generated such that the operation is always possible. It can be shown that the resulting string will always be unique. So actually, the first note is important because according to the problem statement, if we have stars on the left of the string, then it won't have any characters on its left to be removed. Let's go through the first example. So for example, here the string S equal to this string, and we will notice according to the explanation that when this first star is removed, the T is removed, and then when the second star is removed, the second E is also removed, and then when the third star is removed, the D is also removed. So this is the return or the resulting output. For example 2, we have this word here, and then we have 5 stars, so we will remove 5 letters. That results in an empty string. And then something important to know, that the length of the string is up to 10 to the power 5. So it seems a bit straightforward. The idea of the characters being removed only from the left side of the stars helps to identify the way to go through this problem. So the way to go is to start from the right, go through the letters of the string from the right, and whenever we find a star, then we know this star will be removed, but we also know that the next non-star character should also be skipped and removed. And then if we find a non-star character and we have found before a star, then we should remove this letter, otherwise it should be added normally. So let's go through an example here. So for instance, here the first letter is E. We haven't found any stars yet, so E will be added. Then we found a star, so we know that the upcoming non-star letter should be removed, which is D. Then we go through D, then we will skip the D. Then O is similar to E, so we should add it normally. Then C is the same. Then we find 2 stars, which means that the next 2 letters that are not stars should be skipped, which are the T and the E. Then we go through E and L. There are no stars, then they should be added normally. So the way to code this is simply, since we are dealing with strings, is to use a string builder in Java. String builder sp equal to new string builder, like this. And then, so this builder, we are going to add from the right a letter by letter whenever it's suitable to add. And then at the end of our solution, we should return this string builder .toString. But there is a note here, which is that we are going to add to the string builders letters from the right, but we need to output the string normally from the left, so we need to reverse here like this. Then we need a variable, a counter, just to count the number of seen stars so far, so that we know how many letters should be skipped. The next step is to loop over the characters of the string from the right to left. For int I equal to s dot length -1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Then for simplicity, let's have this one in a character variable, s.char at I. And then first, if this character is a star, then simply we should increase the count by 1, right? Otherwise, then this character is a letter or is a non-star. Then we should check if count is not equal to 0, which means that either we didn't see any stars yet, or we have seen stars and removed letters accordingly. So if count is not equal to 0, then we should skip this character. Skip this character. And we decrease the count. Otherwise, which means that the count is 0, then we should normally add this character, which is like this. I will add it to the string builder. We can simplify the code like this. Now let's submit. Let's run first our code, make sure it compiles successfully. So it compiles. Let's submit it. So it's accepted. Yep, that's really nice. That's it for today's video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also feel free to share the video to encourage us to continue, and see you in the next one.